Okay, so my next question is, जैसे आपने कहा कि knowledge is controlled by outsiders. अब ये जनरल क्वेश्चन है, एंशिएंट साइंस के ऊपर नहीं है। IISc बेंगलोर में पढ़ा हूँ, मैं BRC से हूँ। वहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे लोग, हमें जैसा देखा है, यदि मेरा पेपर नेचर में पब्लिश हो जाता है तो I'm very happy.
Yes.
अब मैं सोचता हूँ, मान लेते हैं नेचर का वो होता रेफरी, तो वहाँ पर मेरे पास पेपर आया, मेरे पास पूरे वर्ल्ड की नॉलेज है, वर्ल्ड से जितना भी नॉलेज आ रहा है वो मेरे पास आ रहा है, एवरीबॉडी इज टाइपिंग एंड सेंडिंग टू मी। उसके बाद क्या है कि मैं रिजेक्ट भी कर सकता हूँ, उसे दोबारा भी भेज सकता हूँ, तो उनके पास तो एक बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज सोर्स क्रिएट हो रहा है। तो बेसिकली तो सर ये जो हम अपने
he's making a very important point that all the prestigious journals where everybody in India want to send their paper, because if once it gets published in this Western journal, then his career is made. So the referee who is deciding which one to publish, which one not to publish, sending it back with his comments, he gets to suck all the knowledge of everybody. Whether, even if out of 10 papers he selects one, the other 9 he gets to learn their knowledge. And he can use it. So this is an amazing control of journals, and having the reviewer in your in somebody's particular ideology and somebody's civilization means that he's the clearinghouse to legitimize everybody. Who gets through, who doesn't get through, he's the gatekeeper, and therefore he accumulates knowledge of everybody just for free.
And he uses it for their benefit.
Yeah. So this is the importance. Who controls the journals? Who controls the dissertations? Who controls the publishing houses? Prestigious. I am publishing this through a British publishing house owned by Murdoch, HarperCollins, and Penguin is owned by the Americans. So these two control the international publishing scene. Now, why do I do it? I can get this printed anywhere. Manipal Press, very good press. He's part of the Manipal. He's the chairman of the Manipal Group. So they are one of the finest presses. They are the ones who printed it. I got a quote. I could also get it printed. But if I got it printed and published from a small press, it would not be in the airport shops because they don't have clout. Only these big publishers have clout to put it in prestigious airport shops and other places. So an author like me has to go with them. So this is how the whole system of distribution of knowledge, the channels of knowledge distribution, are controlled by certain people. So all the producers have to go and beg them and be with them and all that, right? Similarly, these literary festivals like Jaipur and so on, they decide, okay, now they did not want my book. I don't give no reason. They did not include it. The festival is starting in 3-4 days. But people I criticize who are on the other side, they've been felicitated for the last 8-9 years, every year, one after the other. So it's a one-sided thing. And their attitude is, well, it's our festival, you can do what you want, it's not, we don't have to give any answer. So these channels, media is another channel. Media is also biased, and they don't owe any explanation. They never I have never been reviewed. This is my 5th book. No book has been reviewed in any mainstream media ever. The only time they mention me is to attack me personally. So it's very surprising. The Hindu, for example, the Hindu newspaper, which should actually be called the anti-Hindu, you know, yeah? Every time a book has been out, we always send all these guys and they ignore it. Suddenly, they produce a huge article against me, attacking me for personal things, not arguing about the content, the philosophy, the principles, the substance of the book, but trying to insinuate all kinds of things against me, as if I'm a well-known person to their readers, but they have never even mentioned me in the past. So I'm suddenly important when it's time to attack, and when my book is out, I'm not important enough to even review it. I told them you should review even if you give a negative review. At least acknowledge the book exists, you know. This is how biased things are. I don't know. Let's ask what do you feel is the solution?
मैं समझता हूँ कि solution ये हो सकता है कि जो कोई जैसे बालाजी एक पोर्टल करेगा जहाँ की जो नेचर को भेजा गया लेकिन पब्लिश नहीं हुआ उधर पब्लिश होगा.
Very good idea.
और उसमें एक टैक्सोनॉमी डालेगा.
Very good idea.
और जैसे वो पब्लिश होगा, सारे के सारे स्कॉलर्स आपके जैसे सब लोग इधर जाकर उधर देखेंगे और उसका एक मूवमेंट होगा. जैसा ट्विटर में है, अभी मीडिया का कंट्रोल चले गया क्योंकि हम सब लोग मीडिया बन गए. ट्विटर में सब लोग हैं, ट्विटर के में अटैक करते हैं, लिखते हैं. और जो अभी कॉलेज से बाहर आ रहे हैं, जो नवयुवक बाहर आ रहे हैं, वो सब लोग अभी ट्विटर पर ही न्यूज मिलता है उनको, उनको पेपर नहीं पढ़ते, टीवी नहीं देखते, अब बोलते मैं टीवी नहीं देखता हूँ, पेपर नहीं पढ़ता हूँ, लेकिन सब इंफॉर्मेशन है। सो टेक्नोलॉजी से कर सकते हैं, अगर बालाजी महाराज मन करे, उनके पास पैसा है, टेक्नोलॉजी है, ये हो सकता है।
So Balaji, now it's your responsibility.
हमारी